Tina Service here with Lead Titan, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about reactivation campaigns. So why would you want to do a reactivation campaign? So there's several different reasons that you would want to do that. And the primary reason is people typically buy from individuals that they already know, like, and trust. And sometimes you end up losing a client for reasons that they may have left your company because they weren't satisfied with the service that you provided to them, or they may have left your company because they moved out of the area. But for those that are still within your service area, they may have left. Let's take it down the path of they left because maybe they weren't happy or they canceled because of pricing. More often than not, what I have found is that if we reach out to clients within 3 months of them leaving our organization, they end up coming back to us. And the reason they do that is because sometimes they feel like they can get a better service someplace else, or they can get a lower price. And what ends up happening is if they got a lower price, they may not have been receiving the service that they wanted. And they've now been through that experience, and maybe they're a little bit shy or embarrassed that they actually want to come back. So what we like to do is we want to open up the door to them and let them know that, there's no hard feelings. We do understand that if you want to go out and try another company, we encourage you to do so. And then we're going to be here when you're ready to, or if you ever want to come back. If you are happy with the new service that you have, then we're happy that you have someone that you're happy with. But we'd like to let them know and kind of open that door to say, hey, we're still here just in case you did change your mind. We're here and we're available for you. I highly recommend doing a reactivation campaign within 3 months after your clients leave you. And so there's lots of different ways in GoHighLevel that you can set this information up. The way that we've set it up for this particular campaign is they got a opportunity status change that moved them to the lost category. And then what we're going to do is we're going to wait a period of time. Now this says 15 minutes, but that's because we're going to do it by quarters here. So you can do it by quarter, you can do it by month, you can do it by 30 day, if they canceled, has it been 30 days since they canceled? Any way that you want to set this up, you absolutely can. And then if you want to do like what month is it, you can do a particular theme for the month of January. You can do a specific theme for February. However you want to set this up, you can. I also recommend doing it in drip mode. Drip mode, maybe like 50 to 100 people every day for the next, forever, just so that way your email and your text message doesn't get throttled. Because if you get too many bounce rates or your phone number was maybe a landline, then it's going to stop your ability to text and email for the day. So, you may even want to do like 20 an hour, for a full day, just so that you can make sure it doesn't get throttled on you. Because if it does get throttled, you're not going to be able to text or email for the rest of the day. So probably good to set that up a little bit slower. Anyhow, it's going to ask them an SMS, and if they reply, you can do a response back to your client and then send a notification to Slack is how we got this one set up. And if they don't reply, then it's going to go down and it's going to send them an email. It's going to wait a few days. It's going to send them a text. And again, it's going to go down the path of did they answer, then send a notification. If they didn't, then you're going to keep trying to reach out to them for up to 3 times. And I think that's plenty. Right. So if they haven't signed up with you within that time frame, just wait another 90 days and put them back into the campaign. So this is just one example of how you can set up a database reactivation campaign within GoHighLevel. And I shared with you a few reasons why we do it. And again, typically we find that after 3 months, our clients are usually coming back to us. And sometimes they don't want to reach out to us on their own. So we will encourage them by sending out this information to them through our GoHighLevel account. Thank you.